this video rakanzi Chauruka, which he featured Tokyo Vibes, but just in an hour you can actually see that 5,000k views and 3,200 likes. So if you look at the rate of the likes, 3,200 likes on 5,000 views, the last time I checked in the morning, Winky Deee was on 194,000 subscribers. Right now he's around 196,000 subscribers, which is a positive move, a positive development for somebody who is doing something. So you can actually see those fire guys. Just hear this one. Kutonozwa kwa Chauruka, and the question is, who is Chauruka? And this is the reason why everyone is angry. Guys, this is it. Just decided to come just for a few seconds, a few minutes, guys. Winky Deee arikupisa, guys. Winky Deee arikupisa. So this is it in Zimbabwe. Vaiva mudenga vachaita sei? Toki vajera mpururu vana mpurwe vavava. So this is it in Zimbabwe. Change is coming, guys. Ukaona zvinhu zvakudai soka, aiwa ndo vanhu vacho vari kushopera nyaya dzacho dzidzi 2023. Aiwa mukomana arema involve everyone and anyone, which means ndo mamiriro achange akaita zvinhu zvacho. This is prophetic, guys. I don't know how you feel about it, but ini ndakuudzai maonero angu ndiri kuita nemafungiro andiri kuita, guys. Let us meet in other episodes and other